Ayun, so galing po tayo sa isang matinding kainan and celebration, di ba? So, coming from a feast, what do we have today?
Okay, kasi coming from a feast
Yes.
na sobrang fatty at pampataba talaga. So,
So medyo healthy ba tayo ngayon?
actually healthy kasi olive oil based siya. Pero
okay.
butter based actually, sorry. Butter based siya. It's made of beurre noisette, so yung brown butter.
Okay.
Brown butter sauce, tapos merong sage.
So what's
So
this
very
what's this
simple.
dish called?
It's rouwote
Okay.
in beurre noisette and sage.
Sige, chef, talk us through your dish.
Okay, so ito yung ingredients. Iba-brown natin yung butter.
Okay.
Pero syempre, we don't want to burn it, so lalagyan natin ng konting olive oil.
So that yung smoking point niya medyo
Medyo tumaas yung smoking point kasi masusunog siya eh.
Pero you really after a brown butter
Yes,
consistency
brown
here.
butter
Why
talaga.
does a brown butter give a better flavor ba?
Yes, it has a nutty flavor, yung brown butter. Kasi.
Okay.
But this dish is very simple. Actually, it's very simple, but it's actually good.
Okay, and then I see here you have, what do you have here?
Breadcrumbs.
Breadcrumbs. And then what kind of cheese is this?
That's Edam cheese.
Edam cheese.
Siyempre, yung mga leftover natin from New Year, yung mga holiday season, di ba? Maraming queso de bola.
Yeah, madami rin pandesal na tira or bread.
Oh, yes.
So most of the items that you have here, no?
Oo, pwede rin grilled Edam cheese, sandwich, di ba?
Okay. And
Yeah.
then I see noodles. What kind of noodles are these?
Rouwote.
Rouwote.
Yes,
This is
rouwote. Yung wagon shape na yung parang
Okay.
wheel shape.
And to help our viewers, no, to orient them, there are specific sauces for certain noodles.
Yes,
Like for oil-based sauces, anong noodles na recommend nyo siya?
Normally for oil-based kasi minsan angel hair, normally with oil-based na seafood,
Yes.
diba? And then this one is also good because I have breadcrumbs. So pumapasok yung mga breadcrumbs inside na absorb niya sa mga holes niya.
So anything na may that adds texture to a sauce, mas maganda yung mga may holes in
May
between
mga
them.
holes, especially with cheese-based sauce, yung mga cream-based
Yes,
sauces, para pumapasok sa loob, diba?
Yes. So para pag oil-based, you have those standard like thin noodles.
Yes,
Pero
yes.
kung ayaw nila ng angel hair, ano pwede nilang gamitin?
Yung ganito, rouwote,
Ganito
pwede
talaga.
yan. Okay, yung iba naman, they use, like pesto is also olive oil based. It's oil based, diba? So,
Yeah.
pwede rin gumamit ng penne for that. Kasi medyo
Okay.
chunky yung mga
That's
diba?
right,
Yung
that's
taste
right.
niya.
Sige, chef. So, how do you know pag brown na yung butter? Because baka some people may do it at home, baka nasusunog
Okay.
nila.
Siguro because of the nutty flavor, mag-iiba yung mag-iiba yung,
So it's purely
yung
by
aroma niya.
Okay.
Yes. Actually, you know just by smelling it.
But
Ito
any
hindi pa
visual
to.
any visual things to look after?
Look at this. Ito, it's not done yet. Hindi pa siya beurre noisette because this yellowish eh.
Okay.
Masyadong yellow, parang golden yellow in color. So, hindi pa siya tapos.
So it's the border between being burnt and being clarified.
Exactly.
Okay.
Except it's not clarified because the butterfat, buttermilk, and the butter solids are
Yeah.
inside.
So but you're doing this kasi without a meat. But if you would put meat, what would go well with this?
With this one, I think it's pork because pork and sage goes well together.
Like
Oo.
or one of those Italian hams, di ba?
Yeah,
Okay.
pwede rin yun.
Ayun. And of course, it's always nice to use fresh ingredients all the time.
Yes.
Kasi ang rule of thumb is, mas maganda if you're starting with good ingredients.
Exactly.
It's easy to work it up. Kaysa pangit na ingredients mo, tapos tinatrabaho mo to
Exactly,
have a good
exactly.
product.
Okay,
Okay.
so we're just gonna sweat our garlic. Actually, in Italy, yung mostly mga Italian chefs, they just sweat their garlic or their flavoring vegetables, tapos strain nila.
That's right.
Para meron lang konting hint or aroma ng garlic. But
Ayun.
syempre, Pinoy tayo eh. Kaya, iiwan natin yung garlic.
Sa atin, we
Okay.
don't sweat in the Philippines. We
Oo,
we
eh.
brown everything.
We
di ba?
brown everything. And ito yung breadcrumbs.
Ayun. So it's like you have parang a form of a roux.
Yes.
Diba?
So thickener kasi breadcrumbs.
Thickener, ayun.
And then the sage goes in there.
Okay.
Season it with salt. And then...
Ayun, ang bango. Anyway, siguro habang ginagawa to ni Chef, balik muna tayo sa studio and then mamaya-maya we get to taste this wonderful dish.
Lagyan ko ng konting brown.
Balik sa inyo.
At babalikan namin kayo kay Diego.
Wait.
Ano?
Pronounce mo muna yung nila, yung ginawang dish ni Chef.
Ay, ano nga?
Pabasa ulit. Medyo
Chef,
nakaka-nosebleed eh.
Para sa hindi nakikinig,
Chef,
tatanong ni
hindi
Atty. Reggie,
nakikinig
ano
kami,
daw to?
pero
Alam ko yung
hindi namin maano-gano eh.
Okay, yun yung ruwote and burn noisette and sage.
Ruwate,
Ruwate,
Bernacet, and
Yes.
Sage.
Yes.
Shay and Sage.
Pakiulit nga, Atty. Reg!
Ruwane, in Ruray, Nuzet, and Sage. Ano ibig sabihin nun, Chef? Ano yung
Yung
ruwate?
ruwote, yun yung ano, yung parang wheel shape na pasta.
Okay.
Okay, and then yung burn noisette, beurre is butter in French, and then
Ah,
noisette,
beurre.
burn noisette is cooked to a brown stage ng butter para lang lumabas yung nutty aroma and flavor niya.
And Sage is an herb.
Yes.
Oh,
Sage?
yeah, sage herb yun.
Okay, good.
Sage is my name.
Oh, di ba? Ang dami namin natin natututunan, di ba?
Pero pasta na lang. Itawag natin pasta.
Oo, social na
Sige,
pasta
magtrabaho na
ni
kayo.
Chef.
Trabaho na kayo.